First, Milind Deora, then Baba Siddiqui, and now former Maharashtra Chief Minister Ashok Chavan have resigned from the Maharashtra Congress. Amid the rising attrition in the Congress, AICC in charge for Maharashtra Congress, Ramesh Chennathala, has called an urgent meet of all the senior leaders in Mumbai. The meet comes in the backdrop of the fear that a few more MLAs are likely to follow the suit and exit the grand old party, as a few names are already doing the rounds. Now, the Maharashtra Congress Core Committee meet today will hold discussions to stop more Congress leaders from leaving the party, as it fears that they will fall short on Rajya Sabha numbers. The party that stood at 45 MLAs have been now reduced to 42 after the 3 shocking exits from the party. Meanwhile, amid speculations, Ashok Chavan is set to join the BJP at 12 p.m. today.
पंतप्रधानांनी जे सांगितले की यांनी शहीदांच्या कुटुंबियांचा अपमान केलाय, तर मी पुन्हा जाहीर सांगतोय की भारतीय जनता पक्षाने अशोक चव्हाणांना घेऊन राज्यसभेत पाठवलं, तर मोदीजी तुम्ही शहीदांच्या कुटुंबियांचा अपमान केला आहे असं आम्ही मानू, हे आज मी उघडपणाने बोलतोय. घ्या त्यांना भाजपामध्ये.